Todd is here. Nicer weather for February standards, by the way.
Yeah.
He is here, so that's good. So we'll take that.
What happened there?
The nicer weather by February standards is here.
Oh, I thought you said he
By
is here. And I was like, what did I do? I did something, but I didn't.
Just always happy to see you.
Yeah, I'm always on the defensive, I guess.
But
For good reason.
Well,
but not with me, with her. I protect you.
oh,
I'm
I'm
your
going this
shield.
way. I'm going this way,
the
and I'm
buffer.
not coming back. All right, we'll start with the temps. It's 19 in Bangor, dropping still too, even though the sun is starting to come up. Pre-7 a.m. sunrises now, folks. Getting these longer daylights. Pretty nice to see. 20s along the coastline. Real cold up in the county. Holton is barely above 0, so it's chilly now. But this area is going to be marginally cold for when this storm system arrives. We're not going to get much snow out of it. In fact, the low itself travels to our west and we'll be on the warmer side of things, tapping some significant warmth tomorrow. Could see some record highs. Before that happens, a little snow for the interior falls tonight. Sunshine to start. Clouds begin to work in. Heads up for some refreezing. Yesterday, mild enough to do melting around the snowbanks and snow piles, so some fresh ice, black ice, maybe around them. We're cloudy by the middle of the day, no precipitation though. Our temperatures rise above freezing, which is key because this evening, as you're driving home, there'll be some snow showers and rain showers working in. But even where it's snowing, the temp will be like 36, 37 degrees. It's not going to stick on the road. It'll just be wet for the ride home. Deeper into the evening and deeper into the interior, though, when it gets a little more intense and slightly colder after the sun goes down, we will pick up accumulation and roads will slush up after dark tonight and be slippery for some of you. We'll pick up the story at the most intense part. This is around midnight tonight. Heavier snow north of Bangor and down to the coastline, heavier rain as winds will be off the water. Temps will be around 40 all night long. The good news is this is a quick hitter. It's out of here by daybreak tomorrow. That gives crews plenty of time to make those roads in tip-top shape for you as you hit them tomorrow morning in places that it snows. I don't think there'll be too many problems tomorrow morning. In fact, tomorrow during the day with a little sun, we're going to make a run at some record highs in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. And then it turns colder again tomorrow evening, and we'll have normal winter cold this coming weekend. Here's the snow map. No accumulation mid-coast, south coast, a little slush perhaps for down east areas, also in Lewiston and Augusta. Bangor, you're in a 1 to 3 right now, but you've actually got to go up into the elevations to get anything more significant. 3 to 6 for the western Maine mountains, for some of the central highlands, and for far northern Maine. And that 6-inch is probably coming our way from far northern Maine. That looks like where we get the most, where there really isn't a changeover to rain at all. This weekend looks great. Saturday, sunshine in the 30s. Sunday, mostly sunny near 40. Keeping an eye to our south, there'll be a huge East Coast storm. Right now, though, it looks like it's going to come close and just come up a little short of us, staying offshore on Monday, but we'll obviously watch that closely through the weekend. Gale watches go into effect tonight. They'll be up for tomorrow, too, as the winds pick up out of the southwest. Seas 2 to 3 feet, and today they start out of the east and they end up out of the south this afternoon at 10 to 20 knots. Increasing clouds. Rain and snow arrives this evening. Not much in the way of accumulation. Gone by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow we develop some sun. Turns warmer with a high near 50. Weekend, awesome winter weather. Have fun out there, folks. Skiing, snowmobiling, sledding. Playing some hockey. Yeah, looking forward to this weekend. Should be great. And then next week we'll be around 40 degrees too. If that storm misses us, we could go through an extended stretch with nothing major around here, which I'm fine with because that was a little busy there, late January, early Feb.
Kind of perfect because it's not so warm that it's going to cause too much erosion of the snowpack where it's
great
thick,
point.
right?
We keep a lot of it. Yeah.
Everybody's got what they need, so everybody's happy.
So
that
far.
never happens.
Also true. All right, thank you.